Hello, hello, hello. Gather round, darlings. Mama Roo is here to spill the sparkling tea. Today, we're diving into the fabulous world of glitter eye makeup. I know what you're thinking. Glitter? It gets everywhere. But fear is for the uninspired. Glitter is for the bold, the glamorous, the ones who want to be seen. It's not just makeup, it's an attitude, a declaration of self-love. When you walk in with eyes blazing like a disco ball, you're wearing confidence. So, let's banish the fear of fallout and embrace the sparkle. Think of the legends, disco queens, pop icons. They all know the power of a little razzle-dazzle. Glitter transforms a look, catches the light, and makes you the main character. You deserve that spotlight. We're about to break it all down, step by step, from blank canvas to show-stopping reveal. I'll share my secrets, tips, and tricks for flawless glitter application. We'll keep it clean, professional, and absolutely sickening. Get your notebooks ready, class is in session. The category is mess-free glitter realness, and you're all about to get an A+. Ready for your close-up? Let's make some makeup magic. Before you touch that glitter, let's talk base. You can't create a masterpiece on an oily eyelid. Prep is everything. Eye primer is a must for smooth, long-lasting color. Next, lay down a base shadow that complements your glitter. Think of it as the undergarment for your sparkle. This adds depth and ensures any gaps look intentional, not bare. Pro tip: do your eyes first. If glitter falls, you can clean it up before foundation. Use a makeup wipe or tape to sweep away stray specks. No harm done. Want extra insurance? Bake with translucent powder under your eyes. Any fallout lands on the powder, not your skin. When you're done, sweep it away for a flawless finish. These simple steps make all the difference. Prep smart, and you're halfway to glitter perfection. Let's move on to the real magic. Now, let's talk glue, the unsung hero of mess-free glitter. You can't just slap glitter on and hope for the best. Use a dedicated glitter adhesive or primer. These grab every particle and lock it in place. Some come with a wand for precision, others in a pot for creamy application. The key: apply a thin, even layer. Don't goop it on. Let the glue get tacky for about 30 seconds before adding glitter. If you apply glitter too soon, it'll slide around and get messy. No glitter glue? In a pinch, use sticky concealer, cream shadow, or even clear lash glue. Just remember, less is more, and patience pays off. For best results, always reach for a proper glitter primer. It's your best friend for a look that lasts all night. With the right glue, you're set for sparkle success. Ready to apply? Let's get to the fun part. Grab your glitter and let's shine. On to technique. The moment of truth, applying that sparkle. The secret? Press, don't swipe. Use a flat synthetic brush or your fingertip to pat glitter onto the tacky adhesive. Swiping just spreads glitter everywhere. Pressing keeps it neat and bold. Work with loose, cosmetic-grade glitter for best control. Pour a little onto a palette to avoid contamination and control your pickup. Load your brush or finger, but not too much. Balance is key. Work in small sections. Apply glue, press glitter, then move on. This keeps your base tacky and your application even. Take your time. Perfection is worth it. The result? A dazzling, professional finish. Don't rush the magic. Let's level up with a glitter cut crease. The glitter cut crease. Ultimate drama, ultimate precision. Start by carving out your crease with concealer and a flat brush, just above your natural crease. Fill in the lid below that line for a sharp, clean canvas. This step makes your cut crease pop and separates the pros from the amateurs. Next, trace over the concealer with glitter glue using a tiny brush. Stay within the lines. Let the glue get tacky, then press glitter onto the lid, starting from the inner corner out. Be careful at the edge. Keep that line crisp. The contrast between matte crease and shimmering lid is what makes this look iconic. Take your time for razor-sharp definition. The result? A masterpiece of light, shadow, and sparkle. You're not just wearing makeup, you're making art. Ready for the tools that make it happen? Let's talk brushes and more. Tools matter, darling. A flat synthetic shader brush is your MVP for packing on glitter with precision. Use a small brush for control, a sniper, not a shotgun. For detail, grab a tiny liner brush or pencil brush for lower lash lines or inner corners. A fan brush is perfect for sweeping away stray glitter after baking. Try a silicone applicator. Glitter won't stick to it, so every speck goes on your lid. Sticky tape wrapped around your finger is great for picking up fallout without ruining your makeup. And always use cosmetic-grade glitter, never craft glitter. Your eyes are precious. Cosmetic glitter is safe, smooth, and made for skin. The right tools keep your look flawless, and your eyes safe. Now, let's seal the deal. You did it. Your eyes are sparkling, your cut crease is sharp, and you're flawless. But don't forget the final step: setting spray. A good setting spray locks in your look and keeps glitter in place all night. Choose a long-lasting, waterproof formula. Hold the bottle 8-10 inches away, close your eyes, and mist in an X and T pattern. Let it dry. Don't touch. Quick recap. Prep with primer, do eyes. First, use glitter glue press, don't swipe. Use safe glitter and seal with spray. Now go forth and shine. There's no such thing as too much sparkle. Embrace the glamour, let your eyes tell your story. Makeup is transformation, and glitter is your superpower. The possibilities are endless when you master the mess. And remember, if you can't love yourself, how in the hell are you gonna love somebody else? Sashay away and sparkle.